strong.
Hi guys, welcome back to Learn with Arjun. Today we are going to do something very exciting. So before we start to talk about it, I want to play it. So I'm just gonna play it. Whee! As you can see, this guy is me and I'm stuck now. Come on, jumpy. Cool. So this is another one. It's also cool. So I'm gonna play it. I have to use the arrow keys and jump between this and hit the wall. Go like this. Go wee. And this part is so bouncy. Oh. Twisty fellows over here. Wow, I hit them. And now I have to jump a big ramp over here. Whee! Now I'll try my best to hit that thing. Yeah! Well, I missed the platform! No! Where is it? And I fall down. So this is another example of my 3D Unity game, and it's also a simulation. I can move and there's background music. I'll just increase the sound so I can hear. Got dirt here. So I'll take you to the nearest pond. Just running there. Way and going down. So across the water and there's a big mountain there. I don't want to climb it. So I'll just go up now. And I can take you to another pond. Yeah, it's there. And the campfire trees. Cool. I'll go by the trees. Going. I think I'm almost there to the pond. So that you can see. The sun is shining bright. Wow, we crossed the water and the humpback was sleeping here too. I don't want to disturb them, and this guy is dead. You can capture him. And this guy is the only one awake, and he's moving. So that's all. This is another game. Bye. Now this is as you can see, I think some of you had figured this out because this is not a game actually, it's a simulator, and a simulator means that you can just go around freely, explore the world actually, because this is the space you have. It's a big space actually, so I'm just gonna play this. See, I use my mouse to turn, and there are some trees and planes are taking off. I like that one because it makes a lot of smoke and it's going backwards. Wow, that's the car. And there's a water funnel here. I guess there's one more over here.
Now,
So as you may be wondering with what game engine did I create these cool games? So it's a game engine called Unity, and in Unity you can create 2D games, 3D games and virtual reality games. But I'm most familiar with 3D games, and all of my games are 3D. And the most famous games that you have played, like Temple Run, Subway Surfers, and even Pokemon Go, are created in Unity. And are you guys excited to learn Unity? You can post a message in the comment section below. And if you like it, I'll make more videos about Unity. Bye! Before you leave, please like, share, and subscribe.